Hi friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today, let's prepare a super healthy combination mixed paratha with mixed bhaji. Mixed paratha is combination of millets and cereal. It is a very healthy and gives lot of strength to our body. Mixed bhaji is a mixed vegetable combination of vegetables with leafy vegetable, making it very tasty and healthy. Overall, this combination of mixed paratha and mixed bhaji is the best lunch combo. So let's begin the process. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit bell icon to get instant notifications. Don't forget to like and comment too. First, we have to prepare a paste. For that, we need these are whole garam masala. I've taken just 2 cinnamon, 2 cardamom, 2 cloves and small star anise seed and 1 bay leaf, little cumin seeds, little coriander seeds. This is khaskhas a little bit. These are the dry ingredients. Then along with that we'll add onion, green chilies according to your spice, ginger, garlic. We'll grind all these together. We are not going to fry these. These are just instant curry which we are going to prepare in one pot. So we are going to make a paste with all these ingredients. Except bay leaf, we are going to add all these to the mixie jar. Let's grind this to powder. So this is done. Now we'll add these into this. Now we'll grind this. So this is done. We'll keep this aside. Now let's make one more paste. This is spinach and coriander. I'm going to grind these two together into a smooth paste. Add this also. Grind this into smooth paste. So this is also done. Now, main veggies which are required for this curry are potato. Any veggies you can take. I am going to prepare with these for today. Potatoes, green peas, yellow bell peppers, carrot, beans, salt, bay leaf. These are the paste which we have prepared, that is onion paste, onion and garam masala paste, and this is the spinach paste. Let's keep a small cooker on this. This is a one pot dish, so I'm going to prepare at a stretch. So I'm keeping a cooker on this. I'm adding little ghee to this. I'll add little oil also. Few cumin seeds. Few mustard seeds. Add this bay leaf. Now to this we'll add this onion and garam masala paste because this was raw. So we are going to fry this a little bit till it loses its rawness. Now let's add this spinach paste. Let's add little turmeric to this. Mix this and we'll allow this also to cook a little bit because this was also raw. So just for 2 minutes, that's enough. We'll add salt to this. Now let this cook for a little while. Now to this we'll add all the veggies. We'll mix this properly. We'll add little water to this and then cover it and cook it until 1 or 2 whistles depending on your capacity of the cooker. For mixed paratha, take an equal proportion of makai atta or maize flour. This is jawar flour, bajra flour and ragi flour. We'll mix all these with using little hot water. We'll add jawar atta, bajra, ragi, makai. First we'll mix this dry ingredients. Now we'll start mixing it little by little, adding hot water. So now this is done. We'll start preparing parathas. So we'll take a small portion. These we are going to prepare thick, not thin. So I'm going to dust it with little bajra atta. You can take even jawar atta, bajra atta. We'll start rolling it slowly, little by little, making a thick paratha. So this is done. It has to be thick, not thin. Heat the tawa, add oil. This requires little excess oil so that it becomes nice crisp. We'll place this roti onto this. It is fried a little bit, just we'll flip once. Now what we will do is, we'll make small slits over this so that it gets cooked properly. Now this is done. We can transfer this into a plate. One more method of making these are, like if you have that if you are not comfortable in this process, you can do it with rolling pin. But if you are comfortable in this process, this will give a more native taste. So this is done. We can fry this also on the tawa. Here is our very healthy and highly nutritious mixed paratha with mixed bhaji ready to be enjoyed. Millets like bajra, jawar, ragi are very nutritive, with maize, which is a very healthy cereal. Mixed bhaji has all vegetables along with green vegetable, makes a super food. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.